In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you add NFL Sunday Ticket to YouTube TV. Let's get started. On your phone, computer or smart TV, open the YouTube TV app or go to tv.youtube.com in your browser. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Click on your profile picture in the top right, then select Settings. Then go to Membership. This is where you can manage your YouTube TV subscriptions and add-ons. Scroll down until you see NFL Sunday Ticket. Select it, then choose Add or Subscribe. Depending on the time of year, you may also see bundle options like Sunday Ticket with NFL Red Zone. Follow the on-screen steps to confirm your payment. Once it's processed, NFL Sunday Ticket will be linked to your YouTube TV account. Go back to your YouTube TV home screen. You'll now see a dedicated NFL Sunday Ticket section where you can browse live games, set reminders, or even use multi-view to watch multiple games at once. And that's it. That's how you can add NFL Sunday Ticket to your YouTube TV. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.